Hi, in this video we'll learn the names of common bathroom items in English. Let's dive in. Towel, towel. Shower, shower. Shampoo, shampoo. Soap, soap. Toothbrush, toothbrush. Toothpaste, toothpaste. Mirror, mirror. Sink, sink. Toilet, toilet. Razor, razor. Hair dryer, hair dryer. Bath mat, bath mat. Toilet paper, toilet paper. Lotion, lotion. Shower curtain, shower curtain. Body wash, body wash. Loofah, loofah. Bathrobe, bathrobe. Toilet brush, toilet brush. Tissue box, tissue box. Cotton swabs, cotton swabs. Nail clippers, nail clippers. Thank you for watching this video. Support us with a like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, take care.